Hey, this is Adam with Danfoss, and today we'll be giving an overview of the CHV-X and the CHV-X SS check valves from Danfoss Industrial Refrigeration. The CHV-X is our check valve from Danfoss. It's available in sizes 1/2 inch through 5 inches. It has the same high max working pressure of 754 psig and the same large temperature range of -76 to 302 degrees Fahrenheit as the rest of the SVL family. It's simplistic in its design in that the cage is very easily removable by unscrewing and then removing the piston and spring assembly. By doing this, you can inspect the piston and spring for any dirt and debris within or on the dampening orifice itself. After verifying that there's no dirt and debris in the valve, very easy to reassemble by inserting the spring and the piston back into the valve bonnet. We reattach the cage by screwing it on, and when doing this, we want to ensure that the cage is fully screwed on and seated into the valve bonnet before replacing into the valve body, as this could lead to damage if not. For more videos like these, please visit our YouTube channel at Danfoss Cool US. Thanks for watching.